So today I have this Lime new 3DS LL, the Japanese version. I got it off eBay, and let's see if we can repair it. So the seller said the top screen had an issue, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead and turn it on, but we don't have a light. Oh, that's not good. So I'm gonna try it quickly with a charging cable, real quick. Let's see if it takes a charge. Okay, we have a charge light. Is it gonna turn on? Oh, it turned on. Oh, that's not good. I see, yeah. The top screen definitely has an issue. Now I want to test the game cartridge. So I have a DS cartridge. I normally have the PAL version cartridge, but since they don't read games... Oh, this is not reading. That's not good. Let's see if I can try it again. Oh, there we go. So we'll definitely take a look at those pins in there, but first I want to start off by repairing the top screen. So let's start tearing this console down. Okay, now I've opened all the screws, and we have a free stylus. I think that's an official one that says Nintendo. These are hard to find, but a lot of third-party ones. Now we can remove the battery. Let's see if it's it's a bit buffed, but I don't think it will be a problem. So we can now open it like this. We gotta be careful in opening from the headphone jack. Oh, there we go. I want to quickly inspect the motherboard, see if anything's wrong. I'm just going to put this on the side. So let's see. I think everything looks good. I don't know if you can see the pins in there, but we'll definitely take a look at that. And there's no water damage, that's good. And yeah, everything seems fine, probably. So I'm just going to quickly start by taking out the motherboard so we can access the bottom part. Now we can take out the game slot cartridge. We definitely take a look at that. And we can look at the underside of this board. I'm just going to have to remove this Wi-Fi antenna. Carefully. There we go. Now I can flip this up. Now we can see I think these are the top screen and speaker cable. There we go. Yeah, looking at this board, I mean, let's see if you guys can get a clear visual. I mean, it looks pretty clean. I think we don't have any problems on the board. So what we need to do is, we need to remove these 4 rubber covers. So I'm just going to carefully go with my very sharp tweezers. We have to get on the underside. Parts by removing these 4 screws. To access the top part, we have to take this frame and push it up. Now we can pull this up, and there we go. This is done. There's indeed some scratches. I don't know if you guys can see from the light, but it looks pretty clean. I don't think we have to replace this. So we have to replace this top screen, but in order to replace it, we have to get these ribbon cables out first. So what I need to is put it in this position and push the hinge out. There we go. Oops. I'm going to use my dental pick to really get in there. There we go. Now we can take this out. Now to remove these cables, we're going to have to make them straight and put them through this small opening so we can pull them out. There we go. Okay, so to move on to the top frame, we have to first remove these 2 screws from the speaker connection. Okay, now we can push this up. And let's see if I can also. So what I like to do is, I like to fold this up and remove the Wi-Fi antenna cable so it's easier for us to get the cables through the hole. So now we have to roll these cables up real tight. The newer version, these are a bit harder because the cables are a bit more bigger. Okay, now to access the top screen, we're gonna have to first remove this camera. We're gonna have to disconnect the speakers from this top frame. And now we have full access to the top screen. I can see that this outer lens is a different color than the regular black, so I think I have a dark gray. So let me check for that real quick for the lens. But now we have access to the screen and we can replace it. Okay, now I have my top screen and my dark gray lens. Deal. So we have our brand new 3DS screens. These are very hard to find and expensive. Now we're gonna take since this console is in very clean condition, I don't think we have to wash any of these parts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reconnect it. Just gonna put the cable in first. That's in. We can pull this in. Okay, now that we've attached the top frame back with our new screen, I'm gonna start by putting everything back. And slide this on like this and put these holes to the camera cable. Okay, now that we have correctly installed the motherboard, I just want to quickly check these pins. I mean, they're a bit bent down, so I'm just going to quickly prop these up and check in with you guys. Okay, now I'm done with this. Since I don't have a microscope, I couldn't do it on camera, but I kind of went in there with my tweezers and propped the pins up. I'm just going to reattach this real quick. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly take this outer shell and quickly attach the L and R buttons. Okay, now I've reattached this. And there we go. Now let's see. It's not popping off, that's good. Hey, that's good. Now we have installed a perfectly good screen in here. So I'm just going to quickly reattach everything and check in with you guys. Now we can put this frame back on like this. Yep, and I'll take our original stylus and pop that back in. There we go. Now we can close this up. There's a bit of scuffs on this one. The screws seem a bit rusty, but I don't think it will be a problem. So, okay, now we have only the top part left, so we have to install all these pieces onto this screen. Yeah, I think it seems fine. Okay, now we can very carefully and there we go. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the satisfying peel you guys want. So let's go. I realized there's a giant piece of dust in there. No! Show you. Okay, now I'm back, and I've had some technical difficulties now. While I was putting this, the camera went out of battery, so I had to do this off camera, but it turned out pretty well. There's no like dust on there. I just want to quickly give it a clean. There we go. That looks brand new. There. So we put this a bit on the front and pull it back. There we go. So that's one. And there we go. I can say that this new 3DS XL has now been completely fixed.